Hey hackers, what's up? Before we get started though, a huge thanks to our sponsors, Lalo and OpenBSD Amsterdam. Your support means a lot to us. Before we get started, make sure you've already set up doas.conf. If you haven't done that yet, check out our video how to configure DOAs. Next, run the following command. Nothing is pre-installed by default. That's intentional. Keeping the attack surface small is part of the security model. You install only what you need when you need it, depending on the phase of the operation you're in. SecBSD is a security-focused operating system based on OpenBSD. It's designed for hackers, penetration testers, cybersecurity professionals, hacktivists, and privacy-conscious individuals. But it's not limited to offensive or defensive security work. SecBSD can also be used as a daily operating system by people who know their privacy or security has been compromised. Journalists, researchers, activists, or whistleblowers who need a system that puts security and control first. SecBSD takes OpenBSD's hardened foundation and turns it into a weapon. It stays lean, minimal, and brutally clean while providing a solid base for exploitation and reconnaissance designed for serious security research and keeping the system fully under your control. And that's it. Welcome to the Paranoid Club. Huge shout out to Banshee, Heartbleed, X0 Dark, Out of Creativity, and BSD Bandit. Special thanks to the amazing people at Chaos Computer Club, Electronic Disturbance Theater, and Exploit Team. Let's hack the planet.